I'm in the market buying salmon. Okay, you see, it's gonna clean it up for me. It's very good. The prices is good today. So these are salmon, very big salmon. So I'm making salmon. You are welcome to Joy Cooking Show, and please subscribe to my channel. This is Chinese fish market. You can buy any fish, fresh fish market. So these are all the salmon. These are the ones they already caught. These are all the ones they already caught. So these are the whole. I mean the whole one. It's better for it. Leave it big. These are the whole ones. These are all the fish. Thank you so much. Salmon, well clean, and the other fish. So these are all the fish I bought. Hello everyone, welcome to Joy Cooking Show. Today we have this salmon, this fresh salmon. I'm going to be making salmon fillet. So it's very easy. We're just going to be using just 2 ingredients. Black pepper and salt. That is all we need here. So right away I'm just going to add some salt. This is the salt. Just take amount of the one you want. Just drizzle it around all the salmon. And this is black pepper. So I'm just going to grind it around this salmon the same way, like this. This is it, and I just gonna turn it around like this, like this, like this, and like this. So the next, just gonna add salt again, drizzle the salt around it, and also grind the black pepper around it. Very easy, very tasty. And this is one of the dinner you will enjoy because it's very quick. So this is it. I'm just gonna put my pan on the fire and add a little bit of olive oil, and the cooking will just commence. Thank you all. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and you are all welcome, all my subscribers. So this is the pan. It's very hot now. We just add olive oil. That's it. I will start to add the salmon fish. So this is the salmon fish, one after the other. So just let it cook. So it's time to flip this fish. See, oh my God, this is so good. Cooking so well. See? Just have to flip it so that don't break. Salmon fish, you don't overpower it by adding too much spicy. Pepper and salt is very okay for it. If you want more spicy, you can add. But I want to eat my salmon by having all the taste from the salmon. So this is it. Very nice. Just putting some something that inside is very good. Cook as well. Please subscribe to my channel, Joy Cooking Show. You all are welcome to my channel. So the salmon fish is ready. It's time to take it out from the fire. So these are the vegetables I prep to eat this salmon fish. Salmon fish is ready, and I'm going to garnish it with lemon. Garnish it with lemon if you want. So this is it. Very simple, and this is a very delicious dinner. This is the type of salmon you will eat, and you will really enjoy it. Thank you all, and please subscribe to my channel. Joy Cooking Show. Wow, so succulent. This is it. Just gonna eat it with vegetable. Thank you now. Bye. So enjoy with me this very salmon fish. Very delicious. Bye for now. And please subscribe to my channel, Joy Cooking Show.